What the? Ow, that burned me. So, I'm looking at, this. Damn, that hurt. This is, what happened? There's like a tornado. I never got a tornado. Well, I have, but I'm not. There's so many tornadoes. You can, get a little bit closer. You can, look at it. Crap. And I need you. And I miss you. Thank you guys for the Homo let the bots out. Homo let the bots out. Yeah, check. What the hell? I don't know what's happening, but I think like it's like 40 degrees. Yo, bro, it's like 40 degrees out here. Yeah, I can. It's freaking forming. I saw it on the thing. What do you call it? Oh, the telephone. Whatever. I don't know. It's weird. It was pouring. You can see, but it's not pouring anymore. Oh crap! I see it right there. Oh, yup, it's coming in. Yup, that's definitely the tornado. There's like a lot of wind. Oh, I remember a bird lives in that tree. Y'all, what? Oh, I think it might be, it's like more in this area. Over there. It was just pouring and flooding a couple seconds ago. I got it at the perfect time lapse. Did you see that lightning? Nah, bro. That was like a tiny flash of boom, boom. It's about to strike in 10, 9. You can hear it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you heard that. It was, I heard that strike. It was like, boom, boom, boom. Like that. It was doing that a minute ago. I see the trees, man. Bruh. I see the trees. They move. Oh my god. Oh dear. Oh. Ow. My god, man, that wind. It's loud. Bruh. This wind. That's just my problem. That is kind of. Also, if you guys are wondering, my favorite YouTuber, a streamer, I got cut by my favorite streamer is the Rakai. Maybe Kai's in that, and I said, alright. Whoa, bro, whoa. Whoa, look at that, damn, that was a big strike, like, I couldn't hear it, maybe it was like, not lightning. Yeah, that was definitely like. Hey, that kind of looks like a peach, like a bud. That cloud looks like a bud. I'm not gonna lie. This one right here. It kind of. Why is it lighting up? Nah, bro. If it's getting yellow. Nah, bro. It's changing. It looks way different in real life. Like. It's coming near us. I don't know. Bro. Oh my god. See that burn I got? He was like, yeah, not today. Ow, that stings. Yeah, bro. Oh.
You want some fish?
Yeah, sure. Give me a lot. Like, I don't know if it's like a tornado, but it kind of looks like it. Like the spiral is spinning. Yeah, well, it's a thunderstorm. Yeah, this thunderstorm has got out of control. Yeah, I may say it might be a thunderstorm. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. That was dumb. Try. Dump truck. Boink. Oh, that's not enough, was it? Crap. Damn, look at that fish. That's hard. Oh crap, look at my burn. Damn. I saw it was a oh, sorry note. Dribble a little bit. So there's a slight chance of a what you call it? Tornado. A tornado. Oh, I ain't touching that. Ooh. My phone's plastic melted. Like bro, no, it actually melted. It's way darker. Ooh. It's way darker out here. It's not that dark, but like I say, it's dark. Now, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.